Hi everyone, welcome to Crypto Market, the educational channel about cryptocurrencies. Today, I want to show you the Render project. It is a very interesting project that has a lot of potential in the crypto world. In this video, I will show you the main features of this project. And at the end of the video, we are going to look at a very interesting update that the project is doing. So please stay until the end of the video. The use of artificial intelligence is gaining more and more strength. More and more companies are investing millions of dollars to create better artificial processes. For all these next-generation advances to be carried out, GPU processing is needed. GPU processors are a critical component in this ecosystem because they enable machine learning, scientific processing, and generative AI. A company like NVIDIA, for example, it is benefiting from the growth of artificial intelligence, and in just 1.5 years, its share price has risen 580%. And as competition increases, more and more computing power will also be needed. That's why many designers and artists are using cloud GPU. Companies like Google already offer this service. The problem is that since it is centralized computing power, it begins to generate availability limitations and very high prices for artists. This is where Render Network appears. Render is a platform based on blockchain technology that allows users to rent GPU power so that other users on the network can render their projects. Render Network takes advantage of unused GPU cycles and connects them to creators who need that computing power, creating more efficient use of GPU infrastructure. Render Network makes the rendering process easier for all users and seeks to greatly simplify the transmission process of such complex virtual works. These are some of the features of Render Network. Provides near real-time rendering. The network enables a model that improves rendering speed for artists while reducing costs and increasing scalability. With Render Network, independent studios and artists can produce large-scale 3D visual effects. They can also take advantage of nearly unlimited on-demand GPU resources to render scenes at higher resolutions and use multiple output formats. Render Network uses artificial intelligence technology to accelerate and optimize rendering processes. The project will add support for new rendering engines such as Blender. The RNDR token was launched on the Ethereum network. This is a utility token used to pay for rendering services. Users who contribute their GPU power to the network are rewarded with these tokens. These tokens can also be used to purchase premium features on the network, such as priority rendering and access to high-powered nodes. The total supply of the token is 531 million. At the time of making this video, 378 million tokens are circulating. These data are very interesting. The Render project was launched on the market in June 2020 with a price of only 5 cents. And reached its all-time high in November 2021, reaching $7. In that rise, it had a profit of 13,300%. That means that the investment multiplied 134 times. And at the time of making this video, it broke its last all-time high with great strength. In its second rally, from the lowest price owned to almost $11, it made a 2,240% profit. These data show us that there are projects that can give very good returns if they are purchased when they are just coming onto the market. The project is currently ranked at number 34 by market capitalization with a total valuation of $4.3 billion. If the team continues working as it has and manages to get into the top 15, the price could reach approximately $30. And for this to happen, the team has already taken the first step. Since the Ethereum network has so many limitations and the project is so ambitious. Ending the year 2023, the Render project began the migration and a new contract on the Solana blockchain. They launched an update portal so that users who have the RNDR token on the Ethereum network can convert it to the Render token on the Solana network. Well, my friends, that's all for this video. I hope you like this information about this project. But please remember that cryptocurrencies are very volatile and these videos are informative and educational. They are not investment advice. If you are going to invest, do it with caution and make your own decisions. See you in the next video.